Hi friends, here in this video, I'll be explaining what is meant by input to a simple machine. In case of simple machine, since the amount of effort we are applying is less and the distance which is covered by that effort is greater, so input is basically defined as the product or the multiplication of the effort and the distance traveled by effort. And in short, if we can say, input is nothing but the amount of work done by the effort. I'll explain with the help of a diagram here. A heavy object or a stone which is kept having mass 100 kg, just for an example, kept on a rough surface. In order to move this, we have a fulcrum or a lever arrangement. Here there is a lever kept on a fulcrum or the fixed point. Now in order to move this heavy load, we need to apply effort at the end of this handle, and now the distance which is covered by this effort would be denoted as y, and the work done by this effort is called as input. So basically input is defined as the work done by the effort in order to lift a load which is a heavy load W, or to move the load by a considerable distance. Then also it is the product of effort and the distance traveled by effort, which is denoted as y. So in short, out of this we can say that input is the product of effort and the distance traveled by the effort, which is y. So it is P into y. And since effort, I am assuming that the unit is in terms of Newton, it can even be in terms of kilonewton, and y is in terms of meter. So the unit is Newton meter. It can have any other unit like kilonewton meter, kilonewton centimeter, or Newton centimeter, anything. And here we can see that this unit Newton meter is nothing but joule. And since joule is the unit of work, so we can say that this much is the work, or input is the work which is spent in order to move this object by applying an effort P. So that is the input which we have to give to a simple machine in order to move or lift a heavy load. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.